Boston approach Southwest 1306 out of 11000, descending via with Quebec at Manchester.
Southwest 1306, Boston approach to Manchester, altimeter 2974. Proceed direct to Justin, descend and maintain 4000. You can expect the RNAV runway 24 approach.
Alright, direct Justin down to 4000, we'll expect the RNAV 24, Southwest 1306.
Southwest 1306, current surface wind is 190 at 9er. Runway 17 is available if you want something that's a little bit more into the wind. And the base is about 10 miles west. The field reported at 2,800.
You can accommodate Southwest 1306.
Southwest 1306, absolutely expect vectors for the ILS runway 17 approach, unless you want the RNAV Yankee or Zulu to 17.
The ILS 17 is fine, thanks, Southwest 1306.
Roger, you can expect vectors for that. Once you get a little closer, just continue direct Justin and down to 4,000.
Alright, direct Justin down to 4000, Southwest 1306.
Southwest 1306, turn left heading 060, vector to final.
Southwest 1306.
Southwest 1306 is an area of light precipitation. 12 o'clock, about 5 miles ahead of you. Cherokee went through that same area, said it was just light rain for him. The moderate precipitation is all to the east of the final.
6.
Southwest 1306, descend and maintain 2,500.
2,500, Southwest 1306.
Southwest 1306 is 3 miles from Bloom. Turn right, heading 140. Maintain 2,100 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 17 approach.
2,100 until established. Cleared ILS 17, Southwest 1306.
Southwest 1306, low altitude alert. Check your altitude immediately. 2,100 until established on the localizer.
2.1 till established at Southwest 1306.
Southwest 1306, looks like you're a little bit to the east of the localizer. Continue the right turn to a heading of 190 to intercept. Maintain 2,100 until established on the localizer.
Right turn heading 190 to reestablish at 2.1 till established Southwest 1306.
Southwest 1306, you just want vectors to come back around for another ILS?
Yeah, that vector's back around, thanks, Southwest 1306.
Southwest 1306, cancel approach clearance, turn right heading 320 and maintain 2,500.
Right turn heading 320, 2,500, Southwest 1306.
Southwest 1306, speed is your discretion and the current Manchester altimeter is 2974.
Speed our discretion 2974, Southwest 1306.
Southwest 1306, turn right heading 080.
Right turn heading 080, Southwest 1306.
Southwest 1306 is 3 miles from Bloom, turn right heading 140. Maintain 2,100 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 17 approach.
Right turn heading 140, 2,100 till established, cleared ILS 17, Southwest 1306.
Southwest 1306, contact Manchester Tower 121.3. Have a good night.
1306. Manchester Tower, Southwest 1306, 17.
Southwest 1306, Manchester Tower, last page report was 3,000 feet, about 30 minutes ago, runway 17, clear to land, wind 1805.
Clear to land 17, Southwest 1306.